The Sony QD-OLED 77-inch BRAVIA XR A95L Series 4K Ultra HD TV sets a new benchmark for home entertainment. From advanced picture technology to immersive sound, this TV is designed for those who want the ultimate cinematic experience in their own living space. Starting with the display, the QD-OLED panel combines OLED's deep, perfect blacks with Quantum Dot technology, allowing brighter highlights and highly accurate colors. HDR content comes alive with lifelike detail, making every scene feel rich, vibrant, and cinematic. Shadows remain nuanced while colors remain realistic, giving you an unparalleled viewing experience. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, sports, or streaming your favorite show, every frame feels sharp, detailed, and natural. At 77 inches, the screen is massive enough to create an immersive home theater effect. Sony's cognitive processor XR enhances every pixel intelligently. Upscaling makes older content look almost new, motion handling ensures fast scenes remain smooth, and contrast optimization adds depth that enhances the visual impact. Fine details, textures, and subtle lighting effects are all rendered with extraordinary clarity, giving a sense of realism rarely seen in consumer TVs. Audio performance is equally impressive. Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology turns the screen into a dynamic speaker, while the BRAVIA Theater U wireless wearable TV speaker delivers personalized sound directly to the listener. Dialogue is crystal clear, sound effects feel directional, and music carries depth and richness that fill the room. Even when moving around, the wearable speaker ensures consistent audio quality. For those who want full home theater immersion, additional sound systems can be easily integrated. The A95L series runs on Google TV, providing access to a vast ecosystem of streaming platforms, apps, and smart home controls. Navigation is smooth and intuitive, and Google Assistant voice commands make searching for content or controlling devices effortless. The TV also functions as a smart hub, connecting to other devices in your home to provide a seamless entertainment experience. Design-wise, the TV is sleek, elegant, and minimalist. The ultra-thin bezel and clean lines make it a stunning centerpiece, while premium materials add a high-end feel. Despite the large 77-inch display, it maintains a refined aesthetic that fits seamlessly into modern interiors. Connectivity options are extensive. Multiple HDMI 2.1 ports ensure compatibility with next-generation gaming consoles and high-speed media. Features such as variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, ALLM, make this TV ideal for gamers. Low input lag and high refresh rate support make fast-paced games smooth and responsive, bringing every game to life in vivid detail. The A95L series supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG, and IMAX enhanced formats, giving you flexibility to enjoy content in the best available format. Combined with Sony's AI-powered upscaling and motion optimization, even older or lower quality content looks better than ever. Overall, the Sony QD-OLED 77-inch BRAVIA XR A95L Series 4K Ultra HD TV provides a full, premium home theater experience. Stunning visuals, immersive sound, smart functionality, and elegant design come together to deliver an experience that goes beyond just watching TV. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or enjoying live sports, this TV creates a breathtaking, cinematic experience that transforms your living space into a true entertainment hub. The Sony QD-OLED 77-inch BRAVIA XR A95L Series, paired with the BRAVIA Theater U wireless wearable TV speaker, is available through the link in the description. Elevate your home entertainment and enjoy one of the most advanced TVs ever built, designed to deliver visuals and audio like nothing else.